You had asked me to post one of these videos about finding the intersection of two circles. Now this is kind of a challenge problem I posted in class the other day. So let's say the two circles we've got, the first one has radius 5, it's centered at 3, negative 2, and the second one has radius 2, centered at negative 1, 1. So this is a picture we're looking at. A couple of circles. We've got one radius 5 centered here at 3, negative 2. And we've got one with a smaller radius centered at negative 1, 1. So the 2 points we're looking for are this point and this point, the actual intersection points of the two circles. So let's see if we can find them. I guess the first thing we have to do is get the equations for the two circles. So for A, the equation is going to be what? It's radius 5, it's centered at 3, negative 2, so it's going to be x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equal to radius squared, which is 25. Alright. B, the equation for that is going to be what? It's going to be x plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals, what was the radius? 2. So it's going to be 4. Alright. So we've got two different circles here. The key here is expand both of these out as far as they'll go, collect like terms, and see if you can figure out a way to cancel part of that out. So if I expand out A, what I've got is x squared minus 6x plus 9 from the first part. I've got y squared plus 4y plus 4 from that part. So that's equal to 25. And for B, I expand this out, I get x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1, and that's equal to 4. So I've still got a lot of constants and so forth that I can collect up, right? Like you notice I can put this 9, this 4 together, so I've got 13 on this side, and I can subtract 25 from both sides. So really A turns into x squared plus y squared. Let's put those two terms together. I've got minus 6x plus 4y to put the two linear terms together. And I should have minus 12 equal to 0. Now likewise for y, or for B, what I've got is x squared plus y squared. Look at my other terms. I've got plus 2x, I've got minus 2y, and my total constants, I've got 2 here, and I'll be subtracting 4, so it's minus 2 equal to 0. Now at this point, what I want to do is just take the top equation and subtract the bottom equation. These two things are equal, these two things are equal, so that means the top minus the bottom is 0 minus 0, which is still 0. If I do that, you notice all your square terms cancel out. This is a key to this problem. So these terms will cancel out. What about your x terms? I've got minus 6 minus 2, which is negative 8x. I've got 4 minus negative 2 as a coefficient of y, so that will be plus 6y. I've got minus 12 plus 2, which will be minus 10, equal to 0. So what I'm left with is an equation that looks like negative 8x plus 6y minus 10 equal to 0. And the question is, what kind of a creature is that the equation for? This is a line. That's a linear equation. Now you might recognize it more if you'll solve for y. So we can do that.